What's up, guys? I hope all are doing well. I'm Rajesh. Welcome to Visionary Rajesh channel. I hope you are taking care of your health because in this corona, so all are in a pandemic case. So you should first take care of yourself, then your family also. And this is the day. It's a very auspicious day for us. It's not only for us. It's for the all the people. Okay, it's a very serious that going on in world basis. Okay, the World Environmental Day. Okay, we are celebrating the World Environment Day the 5th June as celebrated as World Environment Day, Vishwa Paribesh Divas in Odia. Okay, I greeting to all my Odia people, all my brother and sister Purisa, and to all my Indian people and to the world people. Happy World Environment Day on the behalf of the 5th June. Okay, so on this day, so I come up with very interesting. So it's not very interesting for me. It's very serious and heinous the activity that already happened. So it's in the trending topic. So the case of the elephant dead. Okay, the pregnant elephant dead. So she was the 15 years. Okay, so I can make the video before, but the thing is I think the World Environment Day 5th June, it's a great day. So if I will put this video, so it will really give the impact to the society. Okay, so we should take care the world environment. As we are not celebrating, we should not celebrate the 5th June only. Okay, it's the day we have to recollect, we have to remind the what our responsibility to our society, to our nature. Okay, it's not the thing we have to take care our animals. Oh, sorry, it's not to take care our human beings, our brother sister. It's rather than to define to take care our all animals, birds, our nature, the plants, the what the God has already gifted. Okay, we should have take care of this. If there is no nature, there is no sustainable of life. Okay, that's why every action has an opposite reaction. If we are always hampering to the society, if we are always hampering to the nature, ultimately nature will take care the revenge. Okay, so this is the thing I want to make the public awareness. So please stay connected with this video, don't skip this video, because I'm come up with a very recent trending topic, the elephant dead case. Okay, so I will give you the best explanation with all the things. Okay, so stay connected with Visionary Rajesh channel. It's my public awareness channel, and the second channel is Fit Job channel. It's for all the government job, private job, and part-time job. Okay, so if you are new, you can directly go to YouTube. You can search the Visionary Rajesh channel for public awareness, and if you want to for the job purposes, you can visit to the Fit Job. And please, before to start this session, I want to say, please support my channel, subscribe, like, comment, share, and please press the bell icon so that you will never miss my update information. Okay, so let's start. This is the day of World Environment Day 5th June. I'm greeting to all the people. Okay, so the theme of the World Environment Day that can come in your exam. Okay, what is the theme of the 2020 World Environment Day? Time for the nature. Okay, the theme is time for the nature. We have to think upon our nature. We have to think for our surroundings. Okay, we have to think for the plants, animals, birds, all of the things, because of them we are here. Okay, so we have to make the balance between the nature and between the human beings. Okay, man cannot alone just survive. Okay, in this society without any animals, without any plants. Okay, so on this day I'm come up with a very interesting, and it will very gives the real impact. Okay, so you should not make the mistake again. Okay, so let's start the session. What will I say? And this picture tells so much things, and what I cannot I have no words how I can explain. The peoples are in a brutality way. The peoples are doing the heinous activity. Okay, he or she does not care about the animals, the surroundings. So how you can expect like you can survive in the society alone? Okay, without any animals, without any plant, without any nature, because every action has an opposite reaction. If you are doing hamper to the nature, ultimately the day will come, the nature will take the revenge, because you are facing the corona, like the different cyclonic storm also, because this is the revenge of the nature, because you are not taking care of nature. Okay, And the thing is, the elephant dead case, she was the 15 years old as I have the got the report from. This is the picture, and what I will make this video by the some the showing of a picture. This is I'm not the owner of this picture, okay. This is dedicated to Study IQ and all other print like the Jagran Joes, okay. So where I'm taking this photo for the educational purpose, as I'm doing for the teaching purposes. So I think the credit will goes to them. I'm not the owner of this picture, okay. It's for the educational purposes, to how to educate the people so that they can change their mindset, okay. And the elephant, she was the 15 years old, and she was expected to pregnant in the 18 years, okay. She has given her one elephant, okay. But the thing is, the animal where the sometimes the people don't they care about the society. They think the people are very like they are the god. People don't care about the others animals, so they think like I'm the superior, all are the inferior, okay. This is the bad mentality of the people. They are not taking the care of the society, because elephant is a very big animal, and he or she is a very intelligent also. So I can explain how he or she is very intelligent, even if as like the human being, okay. There is a similarity of elephant and human being, okay. And this is the crime brutality that is made by the people, our society, okay. And our people, they means it fill up with the pineapple. It's a fruit, okay. And pineapple, they fill pineapple with the firecracker. So what I can say, like the elephant for the so many days she's hunger in the hunger state, okay. Whenever she will like the see some fruits are there, so she thinks like this will be the perfect time where I can get it, okay. And her baby also was happy. So like she thinks like I can take it for my to fill up my stomach, okay. But the thing is, the reason of the fruit is the so brutality, the animal brutality there. The pineapple was filled with firecrackers. Firecrackers means like I can say in Odia like ସେଥିରେ ବାରୁଦ ଥିଲା, okay, like some crackers, ବାରୁଦ, okay. So but the thing is, as per the Article 51, we have to the citizen, there is a mention in the amendment, or like there is mention in the constitution, like the citizen should compassionate to animals. Like we should have the respect, we should have the responsibility to protect our animal, but we should always deviate. We should always means think they are the inferior, we are the superior, means we are the superior gifted from the God, but we are don't care about the others. But the thing one day will come, you will personally think who I am, okay. Nobody will support you. Whenever the nature will take the revenge, you cannot sustain. Even if your whatever the scientific study is advanced, still you cannot control the earthquake also, okay. Because this is the revenge. You cannot control the cyclone. Even if you cannot predict the actual what is the wind speed or all the cyclone storms, okay. You can only measurable some storms, but you cannot predict 100% accuracy, because you cannot overpass the nature, because nature has the ultimate source of energy and ultimate the supreme authority, okay. And if you are doing the hampering to the animals, the day will come, the animals, the human being self itself, they will hamper to human being, okay. And animal brutality, she was the 15 years pregnant elephant, and only the man who is involved in this accused, like he filled the firecrackers with the pineapple. It's not only he killed the one animal, okay, because he killed the two animal, because within the pregnant elephant one other animal is there within her belly, okay, within her uterus, okay. So two lives are lost already. So the person is accused with two murder of the animal, okay. As per the Article 51, we should not deviate. We should always respect to the animals. But you should you did the murder case, okay, of the animal, because if you do it like the murder to the human beings. In that case the police are there, the court are there. But if you are doing the animals, like you are doing the murder to the animals, the case is not taking as a very serious. Okay, the forest are there, the forest department are there, they are taking the care, they are protecting the animals. But the thing is they are not taking serious as per the man case is hampered. Okay, so it's my request to the government and to the forest department, they should take the action very seriously basis who the person is. The person without any reason, it's very like knowing, the person knowingly murder the animal. Okay, because it's the filled with the pineapple, means sometimes it's a very like the knowing case, like this filled of the pineapple with firecrackers maybe can cause of the murder of the some human beings also, because human also they taking the fruits also. And if some in that case suppose elephants were not come, some person will come and they think like the some fruits are there, I will take it. Same situation will happen, same situation will happen with that sorry, human being. But the thing is, it's unfortunately the elephant will come and she take it, or she took it. Okay, and she died. So as a means we are very selfish in this society, we are acquiring the freedom of animals. And you know, in different states, like the, if I can say in Odisha, particularly in Dhenkanal, Onugul, like the other state, like the other city. Okay, in Odisha particular, in the forest area the elephants were not feel the comfortable, they are come to the like particular living place of the people, because the forest are now cutting down. Okay, all the people they are showing the excuses of the development process of the road construction, and they are cutting the trees, and they are losing the means they are the people, the region of the losing their habitat. So how they can sustain, how what they will eat? Ultimately they will come to the particular living place of the people, where the people are accused like the elephant killed me. But what is the reason why the elephant is killed to us? If you are not hampering to them, if you are really take care, the elephant will not never think to kill you. Okay, and we are always the disturbing the natural balances. There should be the natural balance. Suppose like is there any pressure within the internal surface of the soil. Okay, and that's why the due to some pressure imbalance, earthquake happens. So if you are not taking care of the any animal or like plant or the nature, there will be, you are creating the imbalance, and for that purposes the nature will take the revenge, because nature has the duty to always maintain the sustainability, always maintain the same equilibrium. Okay, and if you do always misbalance the nature, ultimately you will suffer a lot. Okay, as per the Wildlife Protection 1972, if any person is accused like kill the person accused for the any murder to the animals. Okay, so as per the 1972 Wildlife Protection, 3 years of imprisonment will given and 25,000 fine will be imposed. Okay. It was the case in Kerala, like the elephant was dead, she was expected to pregnant to give the birth of his son or daughter, whatever may be. But the thing is 20 May or 24 May official said, like after the post-mortem was happened in 27 May, the principal chief conservator of the forest wildlife and the chief wildlife warden Surendra Kumar, they had reported, like the elephant was very good. Okay, and elephant was not thinking about to hamper the society in a bad way, even if the elephant was in hunger state. Suppose I can say in like the in the same situation with the human being, if suppose human being in hunger state, so do you think what will be, what a human being can do in the hunger stage? But the thing is, you can hamper to all the people if you are really hunger. Okay, but the same situation the animal did not, because it thinks like I should not do it. Okay, maybe I am hunger. Okay, maybe some reason of basis I could not get some foods. Okay, but I should not hamper to the society of the human being, because they help me, so it's my responsibility to help them. I should not hamper them. Okay, but what you did, you filled the cracker with the pineapples. So you are the reason of the murdering the two lives of the animals. Okay, this is not a simple animal, it's not a matter of the simple or big. If the animal means the animals, you are imbalancing the nature. Okay, so you should not do it. The serious action should be taken against the person who is accused. Okay, it's my request to the government and a request to the forest department. They should take, because forest department has the family of the taking care of the animals. Okay, if a really means a human being, so you should not think upon it. Okay, you are insane. Okay, what I will say, as you are always lost your humanity. Okay, as in the like I can say human beings are the januar and januar now in the human beings. Okay, it's already alternate, it's happened alternate. Like we have the means conscience power, we should have the think power, we have the means god has gifted is a best valuable human being. We have the think, we can think what is the what is the good, what is the bad. Okay, we have the ethics, what should be done, okay. But the thing is, even if we have the conscience power like the vivek and the mind we have, but the animals don't have. But the thing is, they are doing in a good way. Even if we have the mind, even if we have the heart, even if we have the conscience power, we should not think